Welcome back to APV Auto, where we bring you the latest updates on future cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Civic, one of the most iconic compact cars that has been a favorite among drivers for decades. With its reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and sporty design, the Civic has always set the standard in its class. The 2025 model continues that tradition with refreshed styling, advanced technology, and improved performance, making it more appealing than ever. The exterior design of the 2025 Honda Civic brings a modern and athletic look while maintaining the clean and sleek lines that drivers love. Up front, the Civic features a more aggressive grille with a sharper design, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a bold, confident stance. The front bumper has been slightly redesigned for better aerodynamics, improving efficiency without sacrificing style. Along the sides, the Civic's sculpted body lines and sleek profile enhance its sporty character, while new alloy wheel designs add a fresh touch. At the rear, updated LED taillights, a redesigned bumper, and a subtle rear spoiler complete the look, giving the Civic a dynamic yet refined presence on the road. Inside, the 2025 Civic focuses on comfort, technology, and a driver-centric layout. The cabin features high-quality materials throughout, with soft-touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and refined trim accents. The dashboard houses a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, giving drivers real-time information on performance, navigation, and safety. The Civic's interior is also spacious, with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, and a generous trunk for its class, making it practical for daily use. Technology in the 2025 Honda Civic is more advanced than ever. Honda's suite of safety features, Honda Sensing, comes standard on all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. A new head-up display will be available on higher trims, projecting key driving information onto the windshield, helping drivers stay focused on the road. Additional features, like a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert further enhance safety and convenience. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system complete the tech package, ensuring a connected and enjoyable driving experience. Performance-wise, the 2025 Civic offers a range of efficient yet fun-to-drive powertrains. The base model comes equipped with a refined 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine that delivers solid fuel efficiency, perfect for daily commuting. For those seeking more excitement, a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine offers increased horsepower and torque, providing a more spirited driving experience. Both engines are paired with a smooth CVT, but for enthusiasts, a 6-speed manual transmission will still be available on select trims. The Civic's suspension has been fine-tuned for a balanced ride, offering responsive handling without compromising comfort. The 2025 Honda Civic continues to prove why it remains a leader in the compact car segment. With its blend of style, technology, practicality, and performance, it's a car that appeals to a wide range of drivers, from daily commuters to driving enthusiasts. Let us know what you think about the new Civic in the comments below. Thanks for watching App Auto, and we'll see you in the next video.